Hi guys, and welcome to the workshop. I'm Bill. Well, this is my new fourth axis, which I have mounted to my Print NC Pro. Today's video is about machining my first part using this fourth axis. But before we get into that, I'll just give you a little bit of an overview. And here is an overview of my fourth axis, which I purchased off AliExpress. I went for a rather heavy duty version. I also machined up this block of 6061 alloy to mount it. I stayed with my Technics ClearPath servos, and I machined up an alloy adapter plate so that I can use center point mounting system. Okay, this is the part we're machining today. It's a double-ended trunnion, though we're only machining one end in this operation. It has flats, a slot, and a hex machined around it. Alright, let's rip into it. Alright, as you saw, all turned out great. I really enjoyed the fourth axis cam, CAD, and the machining, so follow along as I do more projects with it. Alright guys, that's all I've got. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time. Cheers. Right, I'm really starting to enjoy this fourth axis work. Very rewarding.